So if you can tell, I think we're gonna play with some metal today.
Love it. I get to throw these things.
I think it's mostly out of laziness because we really don't want to take that IKEA futon frame off the roof just to put it back on the roof because we are currently running without the trailer. So why not just pile more metal on top of the futon frame and lug it all to the scrapyard? Makes perfect sense. So yeah, we're gonna just pile a bunch of stuff up there. See how that goes. Well, I suppose we are just taking weight, which wasn't my original plan, but we shoved it all in here so tight that we can't really take anything else. Without running trailer, I'm really hoping that this is $50 worth. Otherwise, I don't get my little stamp on my frequent flyer card. Got stuff on the roof too. Hopefully the truck can handle this amount of weight. I didn't even think about that till literally just now. It was making weird noises last night, so cross your fingers for us. Truck made it to the scrapyard. Day by day right now. We're gonna weigh, see what we weigh. Oh yeah, check that thing out. 7,160 pounds is what we weighed. Alright, we're gonna unload our crap. Rich has done took off on me. He wanted to look at this car before we unload our junk. What is it?
It's a Bel Air.
Deluxe. Does have some cool emblems on it. And some cool headlights and stuff.
It's restorable too. Sucks it.
He's all manning. I don't know why. Probably because the engine's in it, maybe? We're already on our way. Flexible auto body filler.
Sucks that these cars.
Inside's real rough. We asked, they want $600 to pull it out of here. I wonder if that's scrap. It's like in this pile, but I don't know. Sometimes they keep stuff like that for here to direct traffic and whatnot. Everywhere you go, there's like one random shoe. I don't get it. Like, how do you lose just one shoe? He's coming. See what else we can find. We're like stuck in car parts section. I don't want to be in car parts section. That car was the only cool thing over here. And a golf ball. Everywhere you go. Golf balls, one random shoe. He had to go look at bicycle pile. He needs, what am I trying to say? He needs stuff for that bike that we garbage picked. Pedals. Pedals and something else. A chain. That thing's old school. So might as well get the pieces from the scrapyard rather than paying big money for them. You can find the parts you need. I did see some cool looking old sinks, but they're not over here. They're on the other side. Huh, there's not even any bicycles today. Go figure. I'm not seeing much coolness. It all looks pretty scrappy. Ooh, what is that? Garden art. Oh, it's hooked on this chair. These things are super expensive brand new. Pull this out of here. It's a little oblong at the bottom. I think it might be fixable. Like right here. It's a little wonky. Oh, this is busted here. Dang it. Oh well. Keep looking. I don't even know. Let's go check this file because it was over here that I seen the sinks that looked old. These over here, that's what I seen. I do believe those are old. There's like a bunch of them. They're not in great shape though at all. They would all need to be resurfaced. Oh my god, but they're heavier than Christ almighty, which means even here, because they weigh it, you pay what it weighs. And I believe those are cast iron, which is kind of expensive. I'm not sure in the condition they're in it would be worth grabbing any of them. I don't see one out of this whole pile that's in decent condition. Flipped that one over. It's not terrible, but man, those suckers are heavy. I don't know how you would even ship those. Alright, I need to not get stuck on these because I just, the more I think about it, the more I feel like it's not going to happen. See if I can find anything else. Well, today just might end up being a payday. Because I'm not seeing anything I want. Which is fine, I got bills to pay. Wonder if somebody left these here when they were trying to take something apart. Or what? I'm going to show ours though, because we broke ours or lost ours. One of the two. Oh my god, that's the most heartbreaking thing I've ever seen. Do you guys see that? That thing is crazy looking. I can't even figure out what exactly it is because it's attached to that pole. I don't get it, but it's amazing. I don't know. It's our turn to throw metal. I am gonna help. I'm not just gonna stand here and videotape, but destruction. That is a heck of a job. I really wasn't gonna look inside. I was just gonna get my money and go, but I can't help it. I found that it's in good shape. Even the little thing at the top works. Got it for $3. I usually get 15 out of those. And there is the remainder. $86. And then I paid $3 for the umbrella stand. So we did honestly better than I thought with just taking weight. Yeah, 86 bucks for a truck full of junk is not a bad way to spend a couple hours. So thanks for hanging out with us. Sorry, that was the only cool thing I found was the umbrella stand, and I didn't take my phone with me because I just was gonna get the money and go. All right, we'll do it again soon. Bye.